Hey, Steven.
Hey, Frankie.
Have you seen a chainsaw chain tangled this bad?
Yeah?
I've been fighting this thing about a half hour. I just tried to pull it apart and now it's worse.
Yeah, that's what everyone does.
So what, is it like knot itself or something?
No, it doesn't knot.
It wasn't that bad when it started. I've seen people twist it, shake it, force it. It makes it all worse. You take a 30-second issue and turn it into a 10-minute problem. Well, what am I supposed to do then?
Don't fight it.
Step 1, lay it flat. Step 2, find where the loops are and where the crosses are. Step 3, gently loosen the loops and where the chain crosses itself. Don't pull. And step 4, pull the bunny's ears or ear, depending on how your chain untangled. And that already looks better. How do I not screw my chain up again?
The easiest way is just hang it on a nail.
Just don't throw your chains in a box.
I'll throw my chains in a box.
Well, Frankie, I need to get back on this restoration, and you know how to untangle your chain now, so here you go. All right, I'm out of pickle juice anyway. Be careful out there. And thanks for watching. You ever seen one this bad? Oh, what if I don't mess up?
You ever seen one this bad?
Wait, I just put them down too early.
You ever seen one this bad?
Yeah? I was looking in the camera. Do it again.
You ever seen one this bad?
Looking in the camera again. Oh, it's a habit.
You ever seen one this bad?
Yeah. You ever seen a chainsaw chain tangled this bad? Crap. My bad. My bad. Ah! Hey, you ever seen a chainsaw chain this? I just tried to pull it apart and now it's worse. I don't even know where this napkin was. Well, Frankie, I got to get back on this restoration. I'll do it again, start over. Frankie, I got to get back on this restoration, so yeah, you know how to do it now, so okay, no so's.
Back to one?
Well, Frankie, I need to get back on this restoration, so yeah, I said so again. Well, Frankie, I need to get back on this restoration, so here's your chain. Deal with that.